Alright, today I'm going to change the battery on my Citroen Jumper because unfortunately I bought this car a few weeks ago and the battery was not good. I thought it was because of the cold, but it turned out that the battery is dead. I got myself a replacement battery and now I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery of the Citroen Jumper. It's my first time doing it, but I looked it up online and it seems really straightforward. So I thought I'd bring you with me. It's gonna be a few simple steps, but if your battery is dead in your Citroen Jumper, then this video is for you. Now, the battery of the Citroen Jumper is placed right under there. So, all we gotta do is lift this mat up right here. You just pull it up like that. Fold it up. Gonna have to push it. Oh shit. Great start. You just fold it up, something like that. And then we have this little hatchet here. All we need to use is a flat screwdriver. There we go. And then it should be easy enough to just lift it up. Get the mat out of the way, lift it up like that. Let's get that out of here. And then below that little hatchet, I got this metal plate. So I just get that out of the way. And here we have our battery. It might look terrifying at first with this whole module here, but turns out it's not as complicated as it seems. So the first thing we want to do is disconnect this quick latch for the negative. We just flip that open like that. With that done, we can just lift it up. Let's get that out of the way. There we go. Once we've done that, we're gonna move over to the positive side. And I saw online that there can be like a plastic piece here with some screws in, but apparently I don't have that. By the looks of it, all we have to do is undo this one here. And for that, I'm using this little thing. So yeah, I'm just using this little tool here to undo this. I don't even know what the word for the thing that sits around the screw is in English. Let's see if we can get it off. There we go. Easy enough. Get that out of the way as well. And there we go. The battery is free. All we have to do now is just lift it up. And I mean, it's pretty inconvenient and it's pretty heavy, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Let's try the one arm. There we go. That is heavy. Alrighty. And we just have to put in the new battery. Here we go. Alright, so yeah, when you put it in, just make sure you have the negative side and the positive side on the right side. Remove these plastic covers, and then basically we're gonna do the same thing we did, but reverse. We'll start with the positive side. Let's get this back into place. So we just press this down, make sure we get it on properly, and then we're just gonna tighten this up. Almost there. There we go. It is done. The last thing we're gonna do is simply put the quick latch back on. There we go. Alright, now the new battery is connected. All we have to do now is just close up and then we're good to go. The sound went down faster than I could do this, but it was a very simple process. But I guess that's good to know as well. Good to know that a simple little man like me can change the battery of a big and mighty car like this. Now that's done, I guess all that's left to do is see if it works or if the car is gonna explode. I'm pretty sure I did everything right. Let's see. So that was the reverse. Is there anything else? It worked! Yay! I changed the battery all by myself. That's an achievement. I've never done that before. And that's just the beginning. A lot more to do. Alright, I don't know if I'll put this together in a separate video, but if I did and you watched it, then thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next. Okay, bye!